So the next thing we'll install are our pots, and we're not going to be soldering these up right now, but we need to get these in place so that we can also install our ground wire against the bridge. So basically you've got two pots. We've got a volume pot and a tone pot. The tone pot will have the green capacitor on it. So generally place these inside facing each other. And you'll typically have two ground wires, and the way you can tell which are the grounds, they'll both be soldered to the back of the pot. So this red wire here is, if I just get that out of the way, the red wire you can see, which I'll pull that out so you can have a look. The red wire here is attached to the second lug, and that's the wiper or the output for the volume. So we know that's not the ground. And the other two wires, there'll be one ground wire for the input jack and one ground wire for the bridge. Now you generally pick the longest. These two are both the same length almost. So I'm going to run the black. Now if you see, I'll bring the camera down. You see inside the electronics cavity, you'll see a hole through the corner there. I'm just going to install or insert the wire through there and push it through, and that will come up through the pickup cavity. These two wires can be run through the input jack hole for now. So I'll just bring the camera back up. So what I'd normally do is just run these two wires through the input jack hole to the side of the body. Once they're in place, you can tape those off against the body just so that they're not in the way. Just tape those off to the side of the guitar. Now we've got to be a little careful with this next step. So what we want to do is hold the pots with our fingers as we tip the guitar over.